Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some spring DIY projects that I've done in the past using Dollar Tree items. Let's get started on DIY number 1. So I'm going to be working on this bunny cutout. I'm going to paint it with some warm white. And I went ahead and added some of my hippo gray over it because when I put my lace, this is a shirt that I got from the thrift store that's Lacy, and it's nothing I'd be wearing, so I thought I'd use it for craft projects. It just didn't look good with the white underneath, and I kind of wanted this lace design to pop out with the flowers. So I'm going to be cutting this out and Mod Podging it on to the bunny. So I'm going to get lots of Mod Podge on here so the fabric will stick. Now I'm going to be placing the lace on top of the bunny, and I'm going to smooth it out. Now that I let it dry, I did cut this with my scissors, and I took some jute just to go around the edges. And I have these little burlap flowers, they call them, but I think this is cute for a bunny tail. So I'm just going to hot glue this on. There, isn't that cute? Now I thought about putting something around the neck, but I think I'm just going to do something atop of the ear. So I'm taking some string and some jute, and I'm just putting them together. I also have this cute little burlap and lace bow. First I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Okay. And then I'm going to take the bow and glue it on here. I also have this little flower and some buttons that I'm going to glue on top of the bow. Alright, that is it for the bunny. I think this is so adorable. Now let's do DIY number 2. So you get these little tinsel-y bunny face or heads here. And, I don't think they're the cutest thing, but I like the shape of it. So I'm going to take all of this tinsel off, and I will be saving it. Sometimes it's a little harder to get off in some spots. Now that it's off, I am just going to go ahead and leave these on here. If I was going to do something different with clay, I would cut those off, but I'm going to be taking some jute and some of that white string that I have, and I'm going to tie this right here, and I'm just going to be wrapping the bunny head form with this. You just want to make sure that you get lots of string or jute on here to cover it up fully. All right, so I have one with jute and one with the white string, and I will be doing one more jute one. And with the jute ones, I went ahead and painted them with a tannish brown color, just in case you can see through it. So I just have some of my little buffalo check ribbon here, and I made a cute little bow. I'm just going to hot glue down at the bottom of this bunny. And for this one, I have one of these jute flowers, just like the bunny tail from the last one. And I'm going to be gluing that to the ear of the white bunny. Now I decided to add a few buttons. I think that looks really cute. And I'll show you all three bunnies at the end of the video. Now for DIY number 3. Again, one of those little tinsel things at Easter that you get with a basket. I'm going to go ahead and take all of this off. And I'm not going to be reusing these eggs, but I am going to save them for future projects. So with the basket, I'm just going to be taking the jute and wrapping it up just like I did the bunny heads. I am also going to be wrapping the handle of the basket with the jute too. Now it is ready for some beautiful lace. I got this from burlapfabric.com a few years back. Just going to hot glue it to the top. And you know, I think I've seen this lace on Amazon, but I think it was a white color. This is more of a cream. But I think it's the same design. So I'm just going to be wrapping the top of the basket all the way around with the lace. And it's curled up just a bit, so I'm going to tack it down. I will be adding a messy bow with some old pieces of lace, and see, I also put some buttons on here, and I have my Spanish moss in there ready for some eggs. Let's see how everything looks together. Here's the other bunny head that I did. I just added a lace bow with a button. I did add a button to the other one. And the basket looks really cute with just a couple of eggs. And you might recognize these little clothespin carrots that I made a while back. And I just set a bunch just next to the bunny. It's not hot glued on. Alright, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and I could give you some ideas. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.